Hello, we are Team REM from Poolesville High School participating in the 2020 SourceAmerica Design Challenge. I'm Kathleen Kee.
I'm Jenna Repep.
I'm Julia Liu.
Through the nonprofit organization Seeking Employment Equality and Community for People with Developmental Disabilities, we were able to get into contact with our SME Milena and her primary support person Amira. We worked with Milena over the course of 3.5 months to create a device that could help her in the workplace.
My name is Milena. I have Williams syndrome. So Williams syndrome is a kind of rare kind of learning disability. Causes a bunch of health problems and other stuff. I got this job for Seek, so I want to thank them for it. They're the best people in the world, and without them, I would not be so smart. I work at the Wisconsin place doing maintenance. Clean a bunch of stuff in here. I like it here. I made a bunch of progress, and I'm proud of myself.
Due to her Williams syndrome and judgment issues, Milena has difficulty judging whether she is done cleaning windows and other surfaces. Our goal was to make a product that could help Milena clean a larger area with ease so that she relies less on Amira for judgment. In addition, Milena has chronic back issues, making it uncomfortable for her to reach up high or bend down while cleaning. We want our device to help her reach high and low spots without causing her back pain or back strain.
First, we came up with the concept for our device. Our goal was to create a device with a large, flat head that accepts various cleaning towels, including Clorox wipes and rags, which Milena works with. We also wanted it to have a long handle to help Milena reach high and low spots, but not be so long that it's unruly.
Then, we built multiple prototypes to test ideas of how to implement these features. We mostly used wood during the prototyping phase. However, Milena felt that the wooden design was too heavy and would not hold up to outdoor use, so we chose to use plastic for the final design instead.
To hold the towels in place on the head, we considered using physical clamps, but we felt that it would be difficult for Milena to use and potentially unreliable. We decided to use magnets instead. With the magnets, we considered various methods of keeping it attached to the head, including using hinges and string, but Milena suggested Velcro, which we ended up using.
To connect the head to the handle, we prototyped a single axle, a double axle, and a Lazy Susan ball bearing attached to an axle. We also considered using a universal joint, but we decided against it because pre-made ones were too expensive and 3D printed versions were too fragile. Milena strongly disliked the Lazy Susan because it spun too freely. She decided after testing the double axle and the single axle that she preferred the single axle.
During prototyping, we worked with a wooden dowel rod as a temporary handle. For our final version, we wanted a collapsible handle for portability. After researching ways to make one ourselves, we decided any homemade telescoping or collapsible handle would require too much precision to use or be unruly. We decided to purchase one instead. Aside from the main device, we plan on creating a secondary device for Milena with a flexible head. Since this device is unfinished, we decided not to submit it for the design challenge. However, we still hope to complete it for Milena.
This was our final design. Our main device has a large, flat, plastic head and a long, collapsible handle. It holds Milena's rags and wipes using magnets.
To determine the effectiveness of the device, we had Milena clean a window pane without our device and clean an identical window pane with it. We took video and compared the area that Milena cleaned with and without the device. We also asked Milena whether she was in pain after cleaning each window.
Without our device, Milena was forced to give up cleaning the window due to back pain before covering most of the window. However, our device decreased her back pain level from a 7 on a 0 to 10 scale to a 0, which helped increase her coverage. The device increased the area that Milena covered while cleaning from 20% of the window to 95% of the window.
I would say 0 pain.
In the end, the results show that we were successful in creating a device to help Milena. Throughout the 3.5 months that we worked on the project, we were inspired by Milena's hardworking nature, kindness, and optimism. We thank Milena for being willing to work with us and her primary support person, Amira, for staying in touch with us throughout the project and helping us during meetings. We would also like to thank the Wisconsin Place Recreation Center team for letting us observe Milena during work, letting us take footage, and allowing us to have meetings in the facility. Thank you.